All right. Um, I don't know if anybody will be joining this, but let me know down below if anybody does pop on. That this is a lot better quality. I hope so. It was a lot of work. Oh, that was a lot of work, man. A lot of work. Oh. So you can see everything. Yeah, I was like, I searched like a million videos on YouTube, and everything was different. It's a nightmare. So we did get to crack 1394, and then this candle opened up. So we're just definitely looks bullish. But the volume is like definitely dried up. So that's really what I'm basing this off of. 'Cause I mean, and we still haven't got above 1477. So to me, it still looks like the backside. Thank you. Did I even add myself? Oh, I did. Oh, let me put myself down here so I'm not blocking the So yeah, still in the trade. Obviously you can see I'm down, but definitely, like I say, I don't trade my P&L, so yeah, I never knew that. Oh no, I don't have my trade 0. Alright, hang on. I never knew that, so my bad. I never knew that you guys seen them like that. So it was a easy fix, I guess, somewhat, but yeah, this candle is pretty much going to determine this stock here. That 1477 is a big level. See how we cracked under that 1394, but it got bought right back up, and then the buyers are definitely trying to push this thing. But the volume is like dead. I mean, it's like, but it can still die, and the price can still go up. But that 1477 is a big level for this stock in my my style of trading. But if we can get under this 1394, that's going to be huge. Yep. You got it. But like I said, your real true support is down here. That's your true support. This is just your true support's where these red candles are. Like this 1394, that's true support. That 1377, that's a true support. What I'd like to see is this get under this, but we were green when it came down here, and now obviously we're back red. But I'm definitely liking how they can't break that level. So you get to see like the real emotion of like real money on the line. Like, you know, obviously I'm down 432, 502, 600. You know, like you get to see that real emotion effect. Like that most people don't show because. But I'm so strongly believe that this is the backside that, you know, that 442 is just a number. I don't trade the P&L. Obviously, you've seen that yesterday in that live stream. Like, plug's looking weak. Some short plug, you can see that. How it popped up here and then came back down. It's the same theory as this. Have you been picking up on any of my trading, or I guess studying it, or Tron? You're the only one that made it back. No, just studying now. Yeah, definitely don't rush into it. I mean, the more screen time, the better. So this right here is just the channel. Like, it's just a channel. The price can go up and go down. So when you short locates is available, to show you the price you will short at the time. Yep. So like let's see here. Where's the shorts at? I don't even have them on there. It must be hidden on. Okay. Why is it not showing up? Hang on a second. They must. Oh, there they are. And so you get. Sometimes you gotta move some screens around. Oh, I just did it. There we go. So, if you were shorting rice right now, it cost you 1 penny. Or so if you wanted 1,000 shares, like I have 1,000 shares, it costed me $16. So I mean, like they're not that expensive. Some of them can be, but some of them, I mean, this is the IMMP was only 2 cents. When I shorted it yesterday, it was like 3 cents. Plug 1 penny. So I mean, the shorts are definitely they're definitely not like super high all the time. Some stocks they will be, but most time it's 1 to 10 cents. Like nothing crazy. And then once you get them, it'll appear up here saying available, and that's how many you got available. So now this is really starting to look to the short side favor on both stocks. Like I say, my style's like, if we can get under this, like 1377, if we can crack that level, I'll definitely 1316 be taking some shares off. But these 1377 and that 1394, that's some big support on that stock. So like, see how it bounces? I mean, that's a big level to crack. Like when I shorted plug, this was the same the same aspect of this. This level right here is a big level, and then your next level is right there. So look at that level, 1395. I mean, that's a strong support level. I will be right back. I'm gonna go get a glass of water. Hey there, Greg. They're definitely trying to hold that 1394. See right there? That's not what I want to see. If this closes with those 3 candles, that is super bullish. So I'm going to take 500 off because it's definitely looking more bullish and bearish right now. Yeah. I don't like to see that right there. The only thing that's going for me is that we've not broke that 1477. Is it just you two? Oh, it says 4. Like seeing these 3 candles right here like that does not look good for me. I want to see like it break this level. If you look at the 1 minute, see what this looks like. See, that's why, like, I could never trade this again. That to me is just, I don't know, there's a lot going on in there. But you can see those key levels, like how respected they are. That's what I like to see. Like, I don't like when it sits up in here. And then plug, it just broke that 3267. Plug's really starting to sell. I wonder if the market's selling off. Does anybody know if the market's selling? Now we're starting to get some more selling. I think if this thing goes back to the 14s, I think it's probably going to be done. But they're really holding on levels. This is definitely a pattern I don't like to see on the short side with those three so close. It's a heavy support. S&P up a little bit, flat. Now we're getting some selling coming in. So once plug closes, I'm gonna see how that reacts on the next candle. Because I'll definitely add some shorts if it wants to continue down. So what's kind of nice about my style is, like, I went long on this, but then, like, I flipped biases as soon as I seen that. Then I waited. When it popped up and came right back down, that was my key to short that stock instead of going long. Is the picture better on the big 60-inch? See, another thing I don't really use is my level 2s on that screen, which you can tell I'm not really paying attention to. Like, when I say I use level 2, it's just to get into the trade. Like, when that candle first opens, I'll watch it. But after that, I don't really. It's like this price right here, I can see. Like, I know until it cracks 13.94, it's gonna always try to push higher. And that's the main thing with trading, is if your support and resistance lines aren't accurate, if your support and resistance lines aren't, like, accurate, it'll definitely throw you off in your trading game. Like, now we're getting close to that 13.94s. Now I'll watch the level 2. Like, they're still buying it. I mean, that's a big support level. If that cracks, the stock is it's done. What sucked is when this cracked. That's when I was trying to get trying to get the picture better. So I got to see that, and that's when I added shares, and then they bought it right back up. See, I mean, they're definitely holding that level. Oh, I got a new computer chair too. I got to get set up. It's actually way more better than the one that I got now. I don't know why that's still sitting in the box, but so when plug closes, I'll definitely be watching it because my target, if this breaks, my target's 32s or somewhat close to it. The court shows. And if plug decides to hold here, this that level somewhat close, and try to push higher, I'll definitely go along with it. STPK. I think we got 9 minutes till it closes. STPK. Oh yeah. Definitely my wheelhouse. Let me know if that I'll try to keep that one on watch. I need to fire up my other screen so I can see one more. So we got 7 minutes. What is STPK? Still green. Man, they just will not let that level crack. I'm gonna have to cover 500. And I don't know if I'll add if it can get under that 1377. But as of right now, it looks more bullish than bearish. I gotta see this level get cracked. Five minutes. My TD. So I'll let you know when there's. So there's 3 minutes right now. "17-second delay." So I'm short plug 600. I have a definitely tight stop to get rid of that 500. And this one definitely looks bullish. I'm all out of rice. RICE. It's definitely bullish. That's all I'm telling you, the power of them candlesticks. I've been calling that since this candle was forming. I mean, I just saved a lot of money. What's that STPK doing? I'm just watching how this candle reacts. That's not what you want to see as a long bias trader, how it broke that and then pulled it right back. That's not what you want to see, but as of right now, I'd be bullish on it. I mean, the only reason why I'm bullish is because of this support right here. That's the only reason why I'm bullish on the stock. That's why I covered as soon as it started popping. Because when this candle was forming the whole time, I was telling you guys, I said I don't like how these three candles are right here. And then I highlighted it, and I said this is what you don't want to see as a short seller. You know, these candles, DLPN is what these candles represent. But yeah, that was a huge fake out to the long side. See, just my ability to be able to read these three candles right here. Yeah, yep. These three candles right here is what gave it all away in my eyes. Why shorts are getting, like, I've seen this setup on DLPN, same exact setup. Anytime I see these three candles when they're like that, it's definitely a long bias trade. I'm not saying it's going to just take off, but me shorting it, I need to see these two levels get cracked, and if they don't get cracked, then I get stopped out. And just you seeing this right here just saves you money, because if this thing decides to run, you're not part of that short squeeze. Yeah, you have a little red day, but I mean, it could get way worse. But I mean, we caught right down in here. We're green, so it's not like you guys aren't seeing green trades. It's just they're not like my perspective is not every trade is going to be green. It's how do you recognize a pattern, and that's what I can do, is I can recognize patterns. That right there, I've been the last when this candle was forming, that right there gave me the signal that this stock was bullish. But then again, if you look at it, how it came above this and then whipped back down, that's not what you want to see as a long bias trader. So I'll definitely reshort the stock for sure. But for me to reshort it, I need to see this level get cracked now. If that level gets taken out, definitely. But I'm not going to short right here, because with my pattern, this is very bullish. And I don't want to short this, and then I don't want to be in this channel anymore. It broke the channel. It broke to the high side. You could definitely take a starter up here. I'm not saying you can't. But this is major support. So if I were to short up here, expect them to come back down here. I mean, the only thing that really convinces me that this is a total fake out is there's no volume in it. There's no volume pushing this up. But I'm long 400 in plug. As soon as I seen this candle close and this popped up and it held the green, I instantly got long. DASA 420. Patrick, are you shorting the stock right now? So, I mean, all in all, I mean, 462 minus damn near 300, so it's not really that big of a red day. I'll really know is when this candle closes with that next candle. When this candle closes, what that next candle has, because that's going to really paint the picture. Right now, this does not look like a long bias trade. This just looks like they came in and pumped the price and took out all these longs that thought it was going to pop. STPK. Ooh. See, my setup would, if I was watching this, I would have been short at 31. That would have been my entry, was 31, wherever the close of this was. I'll definitely have to keep this on watch now. Yeah, this is looking more like a fake out, but like I say, with this heavy support, I definitely am not going to try to short it right now. To me, that looks bullish. Yeah, I mean, everybody, like I say, not everybody trades the. These are the 20-day, 1-hour candles, Patrick. I know you don't trade with them, but like these three candles really stick out my brain. So like as soon as that one closed and this one opened, I instantly covered. But yeah, that's why I love these 20-day, 1 hours. But yeah, this is, like I say, until these levels get taken out. I mean, if this candle goes red, you could definitely hit it up here, but like, I definitely don't want to get short squeezed. I'm trying to provide you guys, like, win or lose, like, you know, not all trades are going to work. But let's check back with this one in 1 hour to see what this does, where this closes. Oh, it's hard to borrow, so you can't short. See this HTB? I know a lot of you guys already know this. That HTB, for anybody that's new, that's just hard to borrow, so you can't short it and trade, or TD Ameritrade. But I'll definitely come back to this one like at 150. Just remind me. So if we get under this 32.52, this will be a short. See how this is pulling back? That's not what you want to see as a long bias trader. Same with this. I'm long the stock. But it doesn't mean that I won't flip sides. It's just penny stocks. I'm not comfortable going long on them. Because that, like, say you're long up here and then all of a sudden they just pull it. Like, I don't want to be part of that. Like, this moves slow. But as long as this holds above this right here, I'm not going to get out of my long. If this goes below that, that tells me that the stock's weak then. And I definitely will short it, and then my risk will be the 32.87. Hey man, I'm glad you guys all showed up today. It's unusual for me on a Wednesday to be able to do some live trading. So, I mean, all in all, I mean, it's really a small loss today again. And we still got a little bit of time left. But if this candle goes red, that's total weakness. And I'll just be patiently waiting for this one. Just remind me, Thursday, you dope. Yeah, see? The amount of sleep that I get. Actually, I went to work this morning, and then we worked for like 4 hours, and it started pouring rain. And then they're like, oh, we're going to call it a day. I was like, all right, Kate, see you later. Yeah, so it's unusual that I get off during the day. I forgot what I was gonna say. Oh yeah, with the 4 hours of sleep, like I forgot even what day of the week it is. I just know that I had 1 day left. Tomorrow's Christmas. Market's closed. I know, I need to get more sleep. Sleep deprived. That's what the weekends are for, I guess. See, this is definitely not looking good for longs. But like I say, I don't like to jump the gun when I see 3 huge support levels like this. Like, I definitely don't want to jump that gun and try to short it, because I just remember DLPN. That thing went to the fucking... Oops, sorry about my language. The freaking moon. Like, and this right here is exactly what that pattern looked like. Here, I'll show you. Oh, plug, you're gonna kill me. Alright, well, we'll see what was the close on that? 32.67. So I'm out long, and then now I'm short 500 shares, and I'll add up to this level. Here, I'll just set a reminder. 32, let's just say 32.90. Yeah, that's a little too much. There. Let me show... What the heck? Replace. Now, if this closing price doesn't break that, it's still bullish. DLPN, that's what I was going to do. So right here, this is what I'm looking at. That right there is what I'm talking about. So when I seen these, I'm like, yep. But see how this is pulling back? Now it's starting to look. That should have never happened. That's total weakness. I'm going to do another starter 500. If I can get filled. I got a partial fill. 90. Perfect. But yeah, you get my drift. I mean, there's still time for this candle to close green. And plug came back. Only 90. So I'm still shorting towards near support though. But that's a pretty big pullback. And I have 500 to add now at 1477 unless this level cracks. If this level cracks, I'm definitely will be adding a lot more size. But we'll see how this, I'll just show you. It's a big level. Now we're getting to the 13s. No, they held it. And same with plug. If plug doesn't crack that 32.52, it's still bullish. And they went to 14 on it. Oh, now we're printing the 13s. Alright, now I might be able to add 1,500 shares if this thing will crack it. It's like a movie, the suspense. Oh, we still got 5 people. This is definitely what you don't want to see as a long bias trader. How it broke that, and then like DLPN, when it broke it pushed. I'm really starting to be convinced now that this stock is definitely on the backside, but like I say, we got to break. We got to get under this. Is anybody else trading right now? Is it just me? like on plug, if if we can get lower than this, same thing. I'll add I'll add more size. But when a candle goes green and then pulls back, that's a huge sign of weakness. So if we get under this 1377, I'll definitely have 2,000 shares short. And my first target's 1316. But see how this candle's forming? Damn, STPK. I know I need more screens because I got my trade zero on one screen, and then the comments that you guys have, and then these two stocks. I mean, I could probably get rid of this active trader and do 3, but I don't know how bad that looks on your guys' end. STPK. Right? STPK. Yeah, there's still room. Like, once this candle closes, there's still room to the downside. Yeah, I missed the entry. My entry was 31s. I don't want to chase it. No, yeah, yeah. When this candle closes, that was the opportunity to, for me to get short, because my entry is a closing price. So yeah, that would have been a perfect short. Yeah, $1.50. Yeah, that would have been a really good move. Just look how strong that level is. I mean, that's a huge level. I mean, this is something that, like, I know everybody's got their own trading style, and I'm not saying, like, mine's a goddess, but, like, these 20-day, 1-hour candles, I mean, yeah, I live by them. I mean, I used to trade, well, you guys all know the story, I used to trade on the 1 minute. I can't do it anymore. Like, it's too much noise. Like, there's so much stuff going. Like, this just really paints a picture for me. Oh, I got too many tools open. So if we can get under this level, I'll definitely add. But if we don't, then I can't add. I want to see the stock continuing to go in the direction. If it remains above this level, that means it's bullish. Oh, see, now we're starting to break down. So we need to see that level get taken out. And they're just holding it. Like, they're not letting this go. They're holding on for dear life. I'm not pop back up. A lot of my trading is patience. Oh, 1370s. So this is starting to look bullish. They do not want this thing to go under 1377. Oh, Patrick, I don't know if you're on, but I got a new computer chair. I don't know if Dunny was on either, but yeah, I got a new computer chair. So let me know, if I make a video tonight, is anybody going to watch it? Probably not, huh? So doing the live stream definitely saves me from a video. Maybe you guys all left. Nobody's saying anything. I'm still listening. Okay. maybe it'll be after hours once they let this thing go below 1377. So I'm 1,000 shares short on plug right now. Looking to break that 32.54. I see the power when you have over me. Yeah, because you can get in and out of trades. Like if you think something's going bullish, just take the little loss. Like that's a hard thing, is taking the loss. So I mean, it's easy to say, but like the power of like stopping yourself out. Nobody wants to lose. Everybody judges everybody on how much they win or lose, and it's like. At the end of the day, I mean, you can go from having a bad day to a really good day. Yeah, like before I was over PDT, I mean, I would, like, if I was trading the stock, I would have been short and I would have been holding till the close. Like, just going off the pattern. So, I mean, there's plenty of times I got short squeezed, but you have to really be careful. But like this pattern's super tricky. Like, this is a huge support level, and they're not letting it crack. Like, you can't force them to do it, so it's like you just play the chart, and like some trades work and some don't. That's why you just got to cut the loss. Like, if it's not there, it's not there. And the more screen time you have, and the more you trade, like, it gets easier to take a loss. For me, anyhow. Because, like the next day there's going to be another available, a better trade out there. Something that, like, when I shorted IMMP, like, I entered at 397. I covered at 340. I mean, I shorted the top, covered the damn near the bottom. You want me to tell you where this stock's going tomorrow? It'll be down here. Why is that? Because of this stock, CBAT. Like, I expect that this right here, same pattern. So CBAT and IMMP. I expect this to do the same as what CBAT did. So like right now, I would actually almost enter short, and then you can hold it overnight. Like, short 1,000 shares by tomorrow. I mean, that's the thing, is you got to pay the borrow fees. So my first target would be 329. I think this can get to easily 320. Where's the locates? Let's see how much this would cost. So IMMP, so it's 2 cents. So to hold it overnight, they charge you 5 cents, I believe, for every 100 shares. So if you shorted at 2 cents, 1,000 shares, so it'd cost you, I think, $100. Let me know if I'm wrong on that. But yeah, $100. So, and you're gonna capture 30 cents. So you can make 300 off the short. So I mean, my eyes, to make 200 bucks, it'd probably be worth it. Yeah, 3 to 330. So even if you're making 100 bucks, you're gonna get the best entry, because that ain't gonna be. I doubt it'll be at that level tomorrow. Well, if we look at CBAT, let's see. So it'd be really close if you can get that same thing. But yeah, this is what I expect. What you call it? IMMP to do tomorrow. What do you do when you take the share too short and then you want cancel? How does that work? So like say right here, say I was gonna locate another 1,000 shares. Like, if you hit the locate and you don't want the shares, you just simply hit the cancel button. Like, you just cancel the order. It's a done deal. Like, just because you hit the locate, you got to hit the accept button. Did that answer your question? Oh, did you mean like, say I wanted to short, what's a ticker? So like, when you short it, say you put in let's see here. I'll just do this as an example. Say I wanted to short like the credit bottom. What does that mean? Oh, so like say the stock is really hot for the day and like people want the shares, you can hit the credit button if you press it, and they will buy them back from you. But it's only if somebody's willing to buy them from you. That's how that works. So if it's a really hot stock and people want it, then you can sell your shorts back to them. So that's how that works. So you would just hit the credit, and then it'd say like so cancel. But see how I had a credit, and then like if the stock's really hot. And if you do the credit, like like I say, the stock's got to really be in demand for them to for somebody to buy from you. Like if I was trying to get sell them IMMP, you wouldn't get nothing for it because nobody's really interested in that stock. So I just added 500 more to plug. Well, you guys can see it now. Now that I fixed the screen issue. As the way YouTube, are you investing in stocks? Oh, as the way you trade, are you invest? Actually, I do have one stock that I'm invested in. It's Apple. This is the only. I have 100 shares. This is the only stock that I've been invested in since August. But this, excuse me, this is the only stock that where I don't trade it on a daily basis. I don't watch it or anything. I just kind of let it do its thing, but that's the only stock that, like the 100 shares I have in the stock. That's the only stock that I'm invested in, like long term. And today it looks like it's having a good day. Yeah. I don't really look at it too much. But yeah, this is the only one that actually that I'm invested in, like that I hold overnight and let it do its thing here. So we got 10 minutes till this candle closes. But no, I don't invest in stocks. It's just simply day trades. In and out of stocks the same day. I mean, I might like IMMP. I held this overnight. I actually shorted it right here. I shorted 397. And I held that one overnight, and then I added to my position. I believe in the 360s. I added 900 shares, and then I covered everything at the 340s. So plugs coming down. This one we're still waiting for that to crack, that 77. It just won't crack it. Crack it! So I'm probably gonna so you'll get to see me borrow more shares on Rice right now. They want 1 cent, so I'm gonna locate another 1,000. And I'm gonna start adding 500 right now. So I got 1,090, and then I'll add another 1,000, either up at the 1477 level or the 1377s. So right now I had 1,090 short. Expecting this level to finally crack. I mean, it doesn't mean it has to, so if we start getting back to like the 1420s, I'll probably I don't know. I'm just gonna watch see what this next candle does. Yep, see, they bought it right up. So my next ad will be at 1466. Besides trading, what was your in testing about to talk? Oh, your interest about to talk? I'm not really sure I get that question. No, I don't have any. I don't have any real estate yet. I think by the end of this year, I definitely would like to start into it. I definitely wish I was investing into real estate, but maybe at the end of this year. You got me. You got me. Good thing you reminded. Ooh. It's 3 minutes. 3 minutins. So the close is 30.22. Wow, that's a big spread. So STPK is definitely coming down. What do I think on which stock? Oh, this one can't break 30.22. This one, that huge level support is just there's just too much support. This one, I mean, until it cracks at 1377, it's bullish. Oh, I definitely plan on going full time. I mean, someday on trading. Like this stock until that 13. I mean, I've been screaming that out all day at this level. If it doesn't crack, yeah, it's definitely not going to crack. Like that's the aspect we can't control on that. I mean, it's just sat in this channel from $14 channel all day, pretty much. Yeah, the goal is definitely to be a full-time trader. Some days are good, some days are bad. Like all I can play is just the price channel. I don't even know what really made me start trading. Just one day, like I just tried to get into it. And I just had to watch like YouTube videos, and then I thought I knew what I was doing, and then yeah, I had no clue. I think I just had an interest in it, like just buying a stock, selling a stock. I never knew you could short sell. So I was like, oh, you can actually buy stocks and if they go down. But yeah, I just one day just decided to start taking up trading. How long have you been trading? You said, I think it said like a year or something. Oh, nice. So a couple years. Oh, going on a couple. Yeah, today we just couldn't get that level to crack. Yeah, Rice has a lot of support of that 1377s. Um, but yeah, I think that's why everybody strives to trade, is to have freedom. I mean, if you're going long, I mean that's your stops clear as day. 1377s. It's definitely been showing a lot of support there. So like if you're a long bias trader, you definitely anywhere down in here is where you wanted to get long. But I'll definitely be watching this stock once it starts breaking some key levels. Yeah, I mean, just stick to like just like I say, focus your energy on one thing. Like mine is these patterns. That's what I stick all my energy into. Eventually, you'll definitely find your niche. It may take a year, but you just learn from everybody, and then like you just do whatever style works best for you. Yeah, the losses come, man. Like I say, everybody preaches on YouTube about all the money they make, and like they don't show losses. Like it's funny how that works, but everybody loses. You just don't want to lose more than you can make in a day. But I don't see Rice cracking that 1377, so I'm assuming today's going to be a red day. But yeah, this is like it'll pick a direction in a day or two. Yeah, if I don't know, people that see what the market is, people that lose and then they get disappointed, and like your losses you should learn from. That's where I learn a lot of my stuff is from the losses. But yeah, if this is something you want to do, just don't give up because of loss. I mean, if I didn't study patterns like these three candles, I would have never known. What did you learn from Tim Sykes? Not a whole lot. I learned how you sell a course. See, if I would have never cut that loss on Rice, I'd be down like well over 1,000, probably 2,000 right now. So I mean, it sucks taking losses, but it's just part of the job. And look at this. Look how well respected that is up there. Yeah, you can't win them all. Like I said, this is I would have traded this stock no different from today. It's just instead of breaking down, the longs won it. So at the end of the day, either the buyers are going to win or the sellers are going to win. And then on this stock, the buyers won it. But like on IMMP, the short sellers won it. Yeah, if I would have never cut that loss, I'd be down 1,700 right now. See, like on plug here, how they're holding that support? That is no longer, I don't think it's going to drop any lower. To me, this is looking like a long setup. Is it harder from you and your... No, not at all, because, like, I mean, if you can multitask, you can definitely... I mean, it's sometimes, the biggest thing is, like, obviously I don't have a huge following, but the biggest thing is to, like, try to answer questions. Like, you look over and be like, but I think it's just you and me right now. So that's 5. It seems like when I go live, I don't have good days. When I'm not live, I have awesome days. Don't worry about it. Asking questions. Oh, that's what I mean. I'm glad you're here asking questions. Otherwise, I'd just be staring at a screen. It's a pressure to perform. No, because I mean, I wouldn't trade this any different if I was like not here. I would have traded. Definitely would have traded the same way. It's just a lot easier to look at it on the screen. You'll get there. It's just like I say, screen time. Screen time and like the emotion is what like you can't show people, I guess. Plug is definitely looking like a long setup with them. Like, you'll start to see it. Right there. And my target would be right here. Oh. So my target would be the 3286s. You'll definitely get to this level. I thought that like years ago. I'm like, man, I can't wait. Like, it's just the screen time of putting in and like all the hours of like looking at charts and patterns and candles or whatever you prefer. It's just the repetitions. Like, and then just like don't get discouraged if you lose. Like, there's always to be another trade tomorrow. like this, I'm still thinking about shorting this and holding this one overnight, just because of the pattern. But like this pattern, you know, it might run tomorrow. You know, the backside might not be for a while. Are you trading for a while? I'm thinking at like 3. Whenever the market closes, I'll probably end it. I mean, obviously, I'll be definitely looking at stocks afterwards for sure. I'll definitely be keeping an eye on this rice. I mean, if this thing gets under 1377 today, I'm definitely will be back in it. But until it does it, I definitely won't be shorting the stock. But now you just seen this long setup over here. Now look at this over here. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect, but like that's a lot of support right there. So I'm going to take a starter on this one, IMMP. Oh. Stark. Oh, we're... If this candle... IMMP. So 352s. So I'll definitely be holding this one overnight. I'll start with like 500 because it can spike a little afterwards, like if it gets a 365 or something. But you'll see me cover this position tomorrow. And my target will be right here. Or right here. And if it gets low enough, right to there. See, like this is just... I'm just going to wait until to short this. Until this... If this 1377 cracks, definitely. But until then, I'm done with this channel. Is it hard to get shares with TZ? Nope. Nope. TZ is probably one of the best. Probably the best. The best platform for hard to borrows. Can you short rice on TOS? Nope, you can't. I don't think you can. Nope, it's a hard to borrow. So you gotta have trade zero. Most of these penny stocks that rip up, you definitely need a hard to borrow. And like I say, trade zero is probably one of the best. Now my target, like I say, somewhere in here now. Can't win every day. I've been following you for a long time, and your track record speaks for itself. Hey, thanks, man. Yeah, you can't win them every day. And like I say, what I'm doing now is not too many people will go live. And if they do, yeah, like a Ross Cameron, Mad Ass, they'll definitely go live. But Patrick Wheeland, I guess. But yeah, too many people won't go live because they're scared to lose, and like I don't think they're comfortable in their system. No, just cause it's a red day today doesn't, like, I mean, it's a $671, so, and then minus whatever this is, so it's, yeah, that's not a big red day. $500. I mean, to some people, yeah, that's a big red day. But like, if you can make what you lose in a day in trading, I mean, you're golden. STPK. I didn't get to see this, but now it's coming down to that level now. Nice call out on STPK. So I'm all done with plug. Uh, this is what you want to see, the continuation. Like, this stock didn't give it, just these huge wicks, and I'll definitely take 100 shares off here at a major support level. So we got only 100 left. Yeah, this stock is really, really choppy. Thanks. That was a perfect stock. I mean, if you could have got it right up here at the close, it would have been perfect stock. It's just this one didn't work out for me. So what do you guys think? Do a recap, or we should be all good, huh? I think it's time for Corona. Who knows? Maybe this thing will get under 1377 today, and we'll definitely get our money back. Well, while these things are moving, I'm gonna go and get a drink to celebrate the live stream again. Getting a little more and more live streams. I'm going to actually try to get a scanner, a Trade Idea scanner. It's like one of the best scanners you can use. I mean, I know I got this one, but this one's like way better. Like, you can't get a better scanner. And then what I'm gonna do is run it on my YouTube, I think, daily. So I'm gonna try to get that lag. The only position I'm gonna be holding overnight is IMMP. Let's see here. So this one right here, where my cursor's at, IMMP. That's the only one I'm gonna be holding overnight. CLOV. Well, we can get rid of plug because plug is dead. Oh, wow. Yep. You guys just keep coming with tickers. Oh, but yeah, I'm gonna get a free scanner for my YouTube, so anybody can use it. I'll have it set up for the best penny stocks. I don't know. We'll do some crazy stuff with it, but I'm gonna put it live every day. I should have it, I would think, by the end of this week. So that'll be a huge plus. Like, I'll run it every day. So like it's gonna show like way more detail than this thing is. That was a really good call out on STPK. I'm probably just gonna get out of SPTK. I mean, we got a pretty nice chunk out of that one. So IMMP definitely will be watching.
Are you hungry? Would you like a stir fry or what do you want?
Yeah, stir fry is fine.
Chicken Alfredo? Or what kind?
Don't we have them brats?
Oh yeah.
I'll just eat them.
Okay.
Awesome. I'm glad I could help. It was a little of a red day, but I got pretty high hopes on IMMP. I mean, I can, but I'd have to, like I say, I have to do it with the chat. So, if you guys don't mind it, yeah, I can do that. I just can't speak. Yeah, I can definitely go live tomorrow. And yeah, I just can't. Like I said, I can't. I can chat on the phone though, so. Can't remember. Was it a green day yesterday or a red day? Yeah, I gotta work tomorrow, but like I say, I can load this up. So like, you guys have access at the scanner here. You know, if you guys want to see this, it'll tell you the stock's moving. But yeah, I won't be able to like physically chat like this with you. I don't even remember. Oh, it's been a long week. Yeah, I don't remember if if it was green or... I thought it was green. When will you check your P&L? Well, I can see trade 0. I see what you guys see right here. I can see that.
Here, we stole mine.
Oh, I just need the mustard. Thank you.
Welcome.
Thanks, my love.
You're welcome.
Yeah, so let's see. So with the plug, I think it's only $485. Do you review your trade often? I reviewed my trade so I don't physically go back, but this pattern right here will stick out my brain now. I got the name from at work, like when I was younger, I was just like an animal. So that's why they came up with the diesel, and it just kind of stuck. Yeah, the when I review the trade, that's every day, win or lose, it's because of what pattern presented itself. Like the IMMP, I shorted, like I said, 397s covered at 340s, and the only reason why I did that is because of the pattern. So now this pattern right here, if I, this is just like DLPN. When I seen these three, I'm like, until it cracks this level, it's super bullish. So I don't physically go back and watch, or look at them, but these patterns stick in my brain. I mean, it's the same reason why I'm holding IMMP overnight. It's because of the CBAT trade, CBAT. It's just the pattern. Oh, just about to close her down, JB. Yep, them are brats. $37 still green. Alright, guys. It was about that time. Like I say, I'll live stream it tomorrow, but I can't just chat like this. I'll chat on my phone or something.
Market is now closed.
And that it is, my friends. Until next time, traders. Peace. I don't know if anybody had a green day, JB. But I definitely didn't have a green day. But I hope you guys all enjoyed the stream, and we'll definitely hit her hard tomorrow. Alright, traders. Peace out. Not a problem, man.